Oh, you can really feel the temperature difference out here. All right, we got the water boiling. It's time to make some food. Got some beef bouillon cubes, a little bit of salt. I got these little lamb T-bones here and they're already seasoned. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the bone out and cut off the grizzle, put that in the pot first. Well, the lamb fat is rendering up nicely, so I just added some sweet potatoes and some tomatoes to the stew. We're gonna add a couple bay leaves. I've got some nutmeg and fennel seed we're gonna put in there as well. A little white vinegar. All right, we're gonna let that simmer. We're gonna go ahead and add the lamb meat at this point. Add some carrots and loads of onions. Spice things up with some jalapenos. Soup's getting close to done, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic. And I'm gonna throw in green onions. All right, just put a little cilantro and basil in there. A beautiful lamb stew.